I want to explain how you can easily search for my organized playlisted videos. My videos have been organized in separate playlists on subject by subject basis. Click on the YouTube icon on your device. Then on the search menu of your YouTube app, click on that, type Ezikan Academy. You can see Ezikan Academy. If it did not appear, then you type it. So Ezikan Academy. Then it will take you to Ezikan Academy YouTube page. Then tap on my YouTube page icon. Then at the top, you will see playlist. Tap on the playlist. Then look for the subject of your interest. You can see different subjects. So this playlist, this one contains 55 videos, 24 videos, 21 videos, 22. So any playlist of your choice. For instance, if you want to watch advanced taxation, you just click on the advanced taxation. Then you look at the videos you have, look for the one you are interested in.